yellow car. God, that's a pretty thing, isn't it? Look at it in the rear view. Oh, it's a phenomenal looking car. Back at it again. Woo! You guys might notice behind me is everyone's favorite yellow RS Megane. That's right, we've got Paul with us again. It's wet out, so we're kind of exploring the limits of what our cars can do in the wet. Paul is still on the original Bridgestones. I'm on the new Goodyear tyres. I think I've got a bit more confidence than Paul today, but we'll see how it goes. I do still have that alignment set up by Gio by Luke, so the car is extraordinarily pointy. Very cool. And yeah, we're just out in some of my favourite roads in Essex. The car is in sport as opposed to race because I'm not looking to die today. And we are driving quite hard. Oh, yes. Oh, it's one of those wonderful days. The fun is ours. People have been actually saying that to me in real life. It's like a catchphrase of mine now. So cool. Whoever thought I'd have catchphrases? Oh, it's good times. Good times. Oh, God, this car is phenomenal. Still got Paul behind us. We're going to flip around at some point and we'll get him in front and we'll chase him a little bit. All right, the fun is here. Oh, I've missed having a good drive. Oh, the car feels so good. It even feels good on the brakes in the wet, which is crazy. Oh, it's holding on for dear life. Love it. I remember this corner being deceptive. It's a lot tighter than you think. Ah, it's a good day today. It is a good day today. Right, we're just coming into the very best bit of the road. Go on, Paul. Yes, there you go. This road is phenomenal. Absolutely love this part of the road. And I've got a yellow RS Megane to look at. Ah, this day can't really get much better if I'm completely honest. Just heard Paul scrubbing tyres there. He's getting a bit of understeer too, I'm guessing. He got very sideways there. Oh, I think he scared himself. Oh, that was a lot of fun. He got very sideways. Did you guys see that? Oh no. Don't write your car off, Paul. Be careful, mate. Guys, Paul is a badass driver. I love going for drives with Paul. He can actually handle his car. He knows what he's doing. Good man. Can we get some comments down below? I don't know what we're going to tell him, but we're going to tell him something nice. Near-death Paul. Hashtag near-death Paul. Oh. He doesn't like the water. He also just washed his car last night. And it's absolutely disgusting now. Sorry, Paul. He is honestly a legend. An absolute legend. Look at the way he drives that thing. Doesn't care about lanes, doesn't care about anything. I like Paul. Bit squirrely there under braking. Oh, the turbo compressor wheel surging. Did you? He's trying not to kill the birds, is what's happening. Oh, well, that's a situation. We do love a good Ford. Oh. Oh, good times. God, I miss going out for drives with Paul, man. This guy puts a smile on my face every time, without fail. Everybody go follow Paul's Instagram in one of the corners somewhere. Listen to this now. So cool. All right then, let's have it in race now. And we're on to one of my favourite roads once again. Lovely little national speed limit country lane. We've got Paul in the background being his usual self. Oh, there's that beautiful sign that I know and love. Oh, car's a handful. Oh, it's so nice to be out driving again. Woo! We're gonna let Paul past here. God, that car sounds good, doesn't it? Oh, I love being behind him, to be honest. It's so nice watching that car do its thing. So cool. Just so cool. Whoa! Oh, yes. Once again. Oh, bit of traffic here. Do you know what? Those Defenders are actually skinnier than you think they are. Yes, Paul. That was quite sideways again. God, it's so fun being behind this guy. You just watch him get all out of shape all over the place. Honestly, I think he's struggling with tyres a little bit more than me where it's wet. Ooh. You'll see Paul get all excited about it and just take off. Well, maybe we'll just take off before. There it is. Ah, you see him go? This is my favourite bit of road. See if we can hang with this guy, eh? Ignore that bag. That's when you know you got big brakes, when your camera bag just does a fucking 180. Yeah, we can hang with him. Whoa! Thanks for peppering me, mate. Yeah, I honestly think these Goodyear tyres have like significantly more grip than the Bridgestone ones, because I didn't used to be able to get like all over Paul's arse like this. I didn't used to be able to stick with Paul like this. And I think it's a combination of two things. It's the setup from Geo by Luke has really made the car super pointy and very controllable. And then the second thing I think is the Goodyear tyres. I think they've actually made a huge difference to how the car drives. Very happy, very happy. I don't know what it is about the yellow on a day like this, because it's just like dark and cloudy and moody and the road's wet and it's just like ah. But that car back there, or back there, it looks good, doesn't it? It's like it's a stark contrast to everything around it. Very cool.